Hello to all, myself Devendra Itole, working as an assistant professor in ENTC Engineering Department from AISMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today's topic is stepper motor interfacing with 8051. In this video, we are going to study the basics of stepper motor and the program in assembly language to interface with the 8051. Stepper motor is a widely used device that translates electrical pulses into the mechanical movement. It has a permanent rotor called as a shaft. Most common stepper motors have 4 stator windings that are paired with the center tap common. There are common 3 types of stepper motor: universal, unipolar and bipolar stepper motor. This motor rotation has several direction relationships to these applied inputs, supply pulses. The sequence of applied pulses is directly related to direction of motor shaft's rotation. Stepper motor shown has total 6 leads, 4 leads representing the 4 stator windings and 2 common for center tapped leads. Stepper motor can be operated in 2 types of sequences: half step sequence and full step sequence. In half step sequence, single coil is energized and then both coils are energized at the same time. In the full step sequence, again single coil is energized or both coils are energized. A table shows half step 8 step sequence, step 0 to step 7, winding A, winding B, winding C and winding D. 4 windings we are using, 6 leads, 4 leads we are used here, 2 leads are connected to common. Hex value you have to pass if you want to rotate the stepper motor in clockwise direction as 08, 0C, 04, 06, 2, 3, 1, 9. If you want to rotate the stepper motor in anti-clockwise direction, then 9, 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, C, 8 value you have to pass. Next is the full step sequence. It's nothing but a 4 step sequence we have to use here. If you want to rotate into the clockwise direction, we have to give the value, hex value to the winding A, B, C, D as 8, 4, 2, 1 or 9, C, 6, 3. In anti-clockwise direction, 1, 2, 4, 8 or 3, 6, C, 9. Let us see the program for stepper motor. Let us take one example, write an assembly language program to rotate stepper motor continuously. As we know that whenever we want to write a program in ALP, you have to use the origin base address. We are considering here 000H. Move A comma hash 66H we are used here. Then move P2 comma A. Stepper motor which has a 4 leads only, winding A, B, C, D is connected to P2.0, P2.1, P2.2, P2.3. So that's why we are used here P2 comma A. So 66 will move into the P2. After that, RLA, rotate left accumulator. It means 66 now will become a 33. Not 33, C, then 99, then 33. Like this way, it will rotate left. We are used here A call delay, so that after passing each value, you have to give some delay, and SJMP L1. It will rotate continuously. So I will copy this program. We have missed here END instruction. I copy the program into the keel micro version where we have to check whether is there any error or not in the instruction. So I translate, build and rebuild. So we can observe here it has created a hex file which you want to load into the hardware and 0 error, 0 warning. As we don't have hardware, we are going to use a Proteus software to check the output of this program. Now I just open the protein software on which already circuit diagram is made. Now here, since the 8051 lacks sufficient current to drive the stepper motor windings, we must use a driver such as ULN2003 to energize the stator. Instead of ULN2003, we could have used transistors as drivers also. So here we have considered the ULN2003 as 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B is connected to P2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and the output is connected to 1C, 1C, 2C, 3C, 4C is connected to stepper motor. Here you can see stepper motor, 6 leads stepper motor we are used. 2 common leads which are connected to VCC, and remaining 4 leads are connected to the ULN2003. The hex file which is created by the Kiel micro version, we have to load that hex file. For that we have to double click on the IC. You have to click on this folder icon. Wherever hex file is created, I used the name as LCDD open. Here by default 12 megahertz here, I will write here 11.0592 megahertz. Click on OK. Once click your load the hex file, now you can run the circuit. I will just click on the play option. Now you can see, you can observe here the stepper motor is rotating right into the clockwise direction. If you want to rotate into the anti-clockwise direction, just instead of RL, we can use here RRA, rotate right. Now I will stop here. I will again double click on that, open folder, select OK. Now you can observe here the stepper motor, now it rotates into the anti-clockwise direction. Thank you.